Hi there, it's Ian Milton of Diamond Gleam, bath resurfacing and hard surface repairs, and today we have got this. It is a fairly serious piece of damage on an acrylic bath, so I'm going to give you another close-up of that, sort it out and then let you see what can be achieved. Wish me luck. So this is the damage I just described, coming down to the waist here. Something has given it a good hard knock there, and it is kind of loose, a bit soft. I'm going to have to fill this in with resin so that it all pulls itself back together again before I fill it. But yeah, we'll sort this out, okay? Yeah, I've filled this now full of resin, so it's like all solid now. I've managed to get resin right in there so that it all goes solid and forms a big plug. So that's going to add to the strength of it. It's not going to provide a guarantee, but it is going to do all that we can to make it good. Okay, here we are back at the damaged bath. Going down to have a look here at the area that was damaged. You can see the reflection is good. If you pick around, you could probably maybe find some kind of change of character on the surface, but this camera isn't really good enough to pick that up. But for all intents and purposes, this is a completely handled situation. I filled it up with resin underneath the filler before feeling it off, because often when I go and redo repairs that have been done by others, they just haven't taken that extra step of security to bond it all throughout and glue the whole thing back together underneath the repair, which, you know, makes it a little bit superficial in my opinion. But here we've kind of plugged it up, filled it, faired it, made the colour, and spotted it in, and you know, provided a solution to an otherwise difficult situation that the client will be really happy about. We're not going to be covering this job with a guarantee because the bath was structurally damaged, and we don't know exactly how long this will repair. This repair will last, but you know, it'd take quite a lot to damage it, I would think. Hi there. So that's us done on this. Ian Milton, Diamond Gleam, hard surface repairs and bath re-enameling at your service.